The talking drum of Breman Asikuma. The talking drum and the voice of unity. Long ago, the people of Breman Asikuma found themselves divided. Disputes over land, water, and resources had led to a rift between neighbors. The harmony that once united them was shattered. But one night, as the stars watched over, a powerful sound filled the air. It was the voice of an ancient drum, silent for generations. The drumbeat called to the hearts of the people, pulling them toward the town square. An elder, one who understood the sacred language of the talking drum, stepped forward. With each beat, the drum spoke a story of the village's shared past, their struggles, their triumphs, and their unity. The talking drum reminded them of what they had forgotten, that they were one people, bound by the same land and the same dreams. Through the drum's rhythm, the village began to heal, the divisions melting away as the people found common ground once more. As the drumbeat grew stronger, so did the bonds between the people. Old grievances were forgiven, and new partnerships were formed. The chiefs, once divided, now met as one, working for the betterment of all. The talking drum became the symbol of Breman Asikuma's unity. Its voice, a reminder that by listening to one another, peace and prosperity could always be found. And so, the village thrived, united in purpose and in spirit. What is the moral lesson of this story? Through the power of listening and understanding, the people of Breman Asikuma discovered that unity is their greatest strength. And from that day, their hearts beat in rhythm, just like the sacred drum that brought them together. Thank you. Through cinematic storytelling, vibrant animations, and engaging narratives, we aim to preserve our heritage while inspiring a global audience with the values of unity, peace, and tradition. Subscribe to experience the magic of our town's folklore, discover the lessons from our ancestors, and explore the beauty of our culture. New videos every week. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, My Global Folktales, and join us on this journey through the stories that define Breman Asikuma.